You only have this one bare spot left in your garden. I see you're about to fill it up with the seeds you're planting.
Oh, you know me, Danny. Every place has to have a plant.
Sure.
Well, I decided that I would plant some seeds here, and so I've got them already here.
Now, I always read on these seed packs about spacing. How important is that really?
Oh, it really is important, Danny, because, you know, when you put the seeds in the furrow, they're going to grow into a particular height when you need to divide them. So if you just sprinkle them in here all together, they're going to be so close that some are going to stunt the other ones. And then when you do go to divide them, it's going to be next to impossible to pull them apart. So if you properly space them, it makes that whole process a lot easier.
Well, are you going to just estimate it, or where's your tape measure?
No, I am not going to estimate it. Me and math doesn't work. And actually, I have created a tool of my own.
Oh, okay. You a built-in tape measure right on the shovel, huh?
Exactly. What I did is I took a tape measure and I laid it out on my shovel, and I marked 3-inch increments, and then the 1 foot is more apparent. And this way, I can use this as my guide.
Well, that's a lot better than having a tape measure out in the garden, because I know it can get wet. It can also get a lot of dirt inside the tape measure, and it won't last long at all then.